Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start with accounts ready. Sign into the Google account you'll use and confirm Drive has space. Once done, open WhatsApp and update the app so backup features are current. Make sure your phone's Google Play services are active and that WhatsApp can access your Google account. This is required to link Drive. Now tap More Options, go to Settings, Chats, then Chat Backup to begin the connection process and choose your Google account. Once you're in Chat Backup, tap Backup to Google Drive and pick a schedule that fits you. Daily is common. Next, tap Account and select the Google account you prepared earlier. When the permission dialog appears, grant WhatsApp access to Google Drive and Contacts. This lets WhatsApp store backups and link backups to your account. After granting permissions, hit Backup to start an immediate upload and watch the progress until it completes so your chats and media are safe in Drive. To finish, reinstall or set up WhatsApp on a device, verify your phone number, and when prompted, choose Restore from Google Drive. The app finds the latest backup tied to your account. If the restore or backup fails, make sure Drive has enough space, your phone is on a stable Wi-Fi, and WhatsApp has Drive and storage permissions. If problems persist, clear Play services cache, sign out, and back into Google. Then retry. This often.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.